The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Genesee County, Livingston County, and Monroe County in western New York until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near York, or about 8 miles north of Geneseo, and moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Caledonia by 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Leroy by 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail size, damaging winds, entries down to the National Weather Service by email at buffstormreport@noaa.gov.